Welcome back to the channel. Today I am walking you through exactly how to save big on hosting a self-hosted N8N plans using an exclusive coupon code that gets you 20% off. That's double what you'd get with a regular code. Most coupon codes floating around will only get you 10% off, but the link I have dropped in the description and pinned comment gives you a full 20% discount plus a free domain automatically applied at checkout, no manual entry needed. Once you hit the link, you'll land on Hostinger's official website. Head to the services menu in the nav bar and scroll down to the self-hosted N8N section. Hostinger offers 4 VPS tiers for N8N, KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm going with KVM2 today, which hits the sweet spot between performance and price for most automation workflows. Add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you will see the 20% discount and free.com domain already applied. No code to copy, no confusion. One tip, always use a fresh email address to make sure the deal registers correctly. If this saved you money, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop coupon codes and N8N tutorials regularly. See you in the next one.